So I started practicing meditation when I was just 19. I was at university. My own experience, people ask me, why do you meditate? Why do you keep doing this? And generally I'll say, over the years, I've become happier. And it keeps on going like that. It keeps getting better and better. And it's really nice.
We are one under the sun.
No había asistido nunca a una reunión así.
Fue una experiencia muy bonita. Tenía mucho que no sentía esa paz.
Esto es un gran mensaje para todos los empresarios de preocuparse, los dueños, por tener su gente con paz. Porque cuando tienes paz, eres muy creativo.
Me inspiró a volver hacia adentro. En vez de buscar muchas respuestas allá afuera, fue regresar a mí.
Meditation is a very ancient tradition going back more than 7,000 years. But it was only practiced by a small minority of people traditionally. Since 1968, meditation has kind of been reintroduced to the world on a mass scale. Who's heard of the Beatles? In 1968, they learned meditation from an Indian yogi. The first international broadcast on television in history was in that same year, and it was watched live by 500 million people. So first was that, adoption by celebrities popularized meditation widely. Since that time, there's been another phenomena which is less pleasant. There is a worldwide increasing pandemic of stress, anxiety, and depression. With pretty perfect timing, a lot of very clever scientists begin measuring what's happening inside the living brain. And there's been an incredible revolution of brain research over the last 40 years. And a lot of that research confirmed that meditation is the best natural way to help with stress, anxiety, and depression. As a result, now, millions of people around the world are trying to meditate. Actually, hundreds of millions, maybe billions, I don't know. This has never happened before.
Creo que ahorita vivimos en un mundo que está demasiado estresado, está sobrepensando muchísimas cosas.
So most of you just told me that at least 90% of your thoughts are junk. Kind of useless repetition, anxiety, worrying about stuff that will never happen, regretting stuff that you can't do anything about. So we have at least one solution, or part of the solution. Before meditation, this person's brain was very active, very busy, hot, actually hot. And after just 10 minutes, they could measure how the brain had literally cooled down. There's a lot less activity, a lot less thoughts, which means a lot less stress. And this subject was not an experienced meditator, they were a beginner. Some of the smartest people in the world, leaders of big companies, they find meditation difficult not because they're stupid, because their minds are too busy. I don't know if Albert Einstein practiced a formal meditation, but he talked a lot about the way that he discovered new things or understood things deeply was through his intuition. And he talked about how he used visualization and imagination to explore the nature of reality. And he was pretty good at it. What do you think? We think of all kinds of stuff and it's mostly junk, but if we focus, we go into this quiet place, we get quality. And this can be applied in the field of science, as he did, or in creative arts, or in solving any problem. So these kind of interpersonal skills, being able to get along with other people, not fighting with other people, not being egotistical, being a team player, these are actually very valuable. They're related to emotional intelligence and the more human side of us, not just the intellectual side of us. These kind of qualities, this connection to our emotions, is another thing that can come out of meditation practice. When you were doing this exercise, did you find yourself worrying about work or some argument you had with somebody? If you didn't worry, raise your hand.
Está súper interesante porque es como no hay historias, no hay pensamientos, la mente se apaga, no hay ruido.
One of the weird things about the mind is this. Just by thinking about something, you can change your emotion. But this can be very powerful if you add it to focus and concentration. One of the tools we use in our meditation is music. We use music to create the mood for meditation to make it easier. We get a lot of information these days, but we only remember a little bit of it. And the things we remember are the ones when we are emotionally engaged. Emotion intensifies the experience. So music is a language of emotion. We also use words, what's called a mantra. So if we focus on that, it will induce a feeling of love and limitlessness. So how did that feel? Let's hear some one words.
Mucha paz.
Calm, love, harmony, self-love,
Bienestar,
wellness,
felicidad,
happiness, inner peace.
If you can feel that in 5 minutes, how do you think you might feel if you did that every day for 10 minutes or 20 minutes? For a month? Or a year? Or 40 years? With my hands, I'll build a spaceship in case we run out of room. Like a wizard who helps everybody's dreams come true. With my hands I only want to do good. Wouldn't you do that if you only could? When I close my eyes, my heart can open wide. Now I see who I meant